Hi there guys, Casey Henderson, Chemical Operations Manager with Greens Lawn Care. Just want to show you one of the dangers that we see this time of year when we have grass growing really well, but we see these early morning cold temperatures and frost. As you can see, I've got some damage in my lawn here. And what that is where the kids walked to the bus and they stepped on that frosty grass, and you can see the damage that it caused. Everywhere they stepped, there are footprints. That frost will freeze the moisture that's inside the grass. Those cells are very tender, and when you step on the grass, it breaks those cells open, damaging the grass and reducing its ability to produce chlorophyll, so it bleaches out. Now this damage will fade over a few weeks, some good warm days and some fertilizer, get that grass growing real well, and that stuff will grow out. But in the meantime, I've got all these ugly footprints through my yard. Just one more tip to help you keep that yard green and beautiful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. You can email us. You can find our emails on our website, www.greenslcps.com.